Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is how my lock knots were looking after wearing them for 1 week. I'm going to spray them with some aloe vera juice that is in the spray bottle. So I just started by loosening the knot and unraveling the lock. Now this was easier for some and difficult for other locks. I would say it was more difficult for the thinner locks that I have than the thicker ones. And it also didn't help that I had long nails at this point. For the ones that were difficult, I used the end of my rat tail comb to help loosen the knot, so it was easier for me to unravel it. Here is a back view. I overall did love this style. It did give me a different look and it did preserve some of my length. But if I had to do it again, I probably would add rubber bands to the ends instead of tying my own lock into a knot itself. And here is the final look. Some of the curls were already unraveled. That's why you see some of them have already dropped. The curls didn't really last that long because I didn't take care of it, to be honest with you. I did shower without a shower cap. But probably if I did, it would have lasted the whole entire week. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.